If I have to talk about the techniques to put twists, suspense, and surprises in a story, I'll talk about three things. I'll give three tips. Number one, approach your story as a reader. Number two, use subtle misdirections. And number three, let your characters create the plot twists. If I talk about approaching your story as a reader, see, telling an interesting story that comes with compelling plot twists is essential for writing an effective script. So stay within the character's perspective while you are creating and designing your script, and put yourself in the reader's shoes. Imagine the kinds of reactions that you would have gotten if you had heard or read this story. So, in which direction do you think this story would naturally go? Would you like to see additional twists and turns in this story? Ask such questions. A plot twist in any story can be foreshadowed to a twist in the plot. Readers and audience are a lot alike, regardless the kind of books they read or what kind of performance they enjoy. They all prefer the conventions and expectations of their style of books. There is an excellent chance your readers will immediately think of everything you have in mind too. So adding an unexpected twist or turn in the story can help avoid predictability. If your narrative naturally takes a particular path, you should veer away from it and see what develops. Eventually, it will occur to you that you have a good twist. Use subtle misdirections. See, misdirection is a magic tool used frequently by magicians, but it is beneficial for writers and storytellers and public speakers too. Your goal should be to lure them into believing something different from what you are doing. In optics, misdirection is an essential tactic because it allows you to confuse the observer. You can use suspicious information by planting false clues or making false statements to disrupt the course of event. You can also thoroughly ridicule your readers' ideas in such a way that they feel that definitely it is a dead end. You may also hide some exciting or relevant details from the reader during the action. For example, during a battle, occupy audience's attention by other information that is less intense. Make sure these are done in a subtle way. If you become obvious while using these tricks, the audience will lose their interest. Giving obvious hints also make the audience feel betrayed, as the story will become predictable. And number three, when I said let your characters create the plot twist, when it comes to the plot, there is always room for better and worse thinking. Some twist can make you angry or make your story seem unrealistic. If this occurs, just relax, give yourself some time, and then let the characters do the work. Another technique you may want to experiment with is flow charting. This has to do with releasing your thoughts and relaxing your inhibitions and trusting yourself to speak without overthinking it.